How to tell this is a good stock to invest in? Today, I'm going to give you 3 criteria. These 3 criteria can tell you, hey, this is a good stock you may consider to buy or to invest. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. And today, I'm going to give you 3 criteria. Even you don't have my indicator, you can still find a way to check this criteria, okay? The first one is capital. For the stock to go up or for the coins to go up, you need to have capital to pull up the price. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, just imagine when we do the trading, right? Your whole purpose of the trading, your whole purpose of the investing is the growth portfolio. Okay, to make it bigger. Okay, so basically, you need to go up the percentage. You need to go up the price. So imagine if you hold something for 10 years and the total return is only 10%, will you do that? No. Okay. You want it to make better growth. So basically, we need capital inside to pull up the price. And later, I will show you the example how I do it. You can find other ways to do it. I use my own indicator. Okay. So number 2 is the position. What does it mean, the position? All the time in my video, I mention buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. So we don't do opposite. We don't do opposite. Remember, buy low, sell high. So buy low, sell high is one way of the risk management. Okay, it is the risk reward ratio. Okay, so basically the risk should be 1, the reward should be more than 3. Otherwise, we don't do the trade. So when we just imagine the position, just imagine the staircase. Okay, when we walk on the staircase, we prefer to touch the staircase, or we don't want to. When you are far away from the staircase, there's a risk that you can fall. Okay, does it make sense to you? So the second is position. The number 3 things is the trend. We want to buy when this is the end of the downtrend or this is the uptrend. Okay, so we want to buy when it is uptrend. We don't want to buy when it is the bear market. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. Of course, you can find your way to find the trend, which you can use some way like to draw the trend line or the moving average. You can find your way, but my way would be faster. Okay, would be more instant to tell you this is uptrend or this is downtrend. So let me show you. You don't need to subscribe yet, but if you subscribe it, it will make your trade more simple, okay, and more effective. So now let me show you how. I'm using Apple as an example right now. Okay, so I only here for education purpose to teach you capital, position, and the trend. Okay, so we look at YM cheapest. So basically, this is the capital meaning, the total holding of the institution. Are they holding or are they leaving? The red is the institution. The green is the individual. Okay, so the red is going up. It means the institution increasing the holding, and then they continue to hold the holding. You can see the price is going up all the way until one day they decide, bye-bye, I make the profit, I take the profit, and then they go all the way down again. Okay, this is one way to tell the capital. Also, we have other indicator, my exclusive indicator called YM Big Buy to tell you the big volume trend. This is not necessarily the institution, but this is more like a short-term trade. You can follow this one. So in my video, I also teach you how to use this one and also to tell you YM chip entry. So interesting to tell you when the institution actually start to buy. Okay, so I just show you briefly. You can see every single time the relative low point, they will have the signal to tell you they are buying here. Okay, of course, we are not seeing the green candle and we go in to buy. No, no, don't do that. Don't do that. We are different from those institutions. We follow them to buy, but we don't do at the same time because they have unlimited fund. We don't have unlimited fund. Okay, so we can take maybe one day to finish the whole buying. and then they can take the entire year to buy, right? So we need to know when does it finish. Okay, so to make it short, we need to know the capital. The number two thing is the position. The position I will use this one, ym club long. So for example, I'll show you ym club long or ym club fast is either one, how depends on the time frame. Let's say I use the blue one, okay, for more long-term trade. So basically, when we are touching the blue line and they hold support, we buy in. They come back, hold a support, we buy. They come back, hold a support, we buy. So just to make it short, if you don't have my indicator, you can also use moving average or you draw a trend line. It's also fine. It's also fine. But my indicator to tell you this is downtrend or this is uptrend. Okay, you will need more knowledge to tell this is uptrend or downtrend. Okay, so basically when it is far away from this line, we don't do buying. We don't do it because we're far away. Imagine you're on a staircase. Imagine the blue line is the staircase. We don't buy when we are far above it because you may fall. Does it make sense to you? We buy when it is safe. Okay, the number two is position. It's about risk reward management also. If they continue to drop below, we can always cut loss, right? Use the blue line. If you buy here, you don't know how to cut loss. You don't know how to cut loss, okay? So you will need to have some kind of indicator. It doesn't matter you use mine or you use other, but choose one method. Don't guess, hey, I heard the news, it will go up, then I buy. No, when you hear the news, it's already too late. Who let you hear the news? Imagine that. Okay, so when the institution buying, they don't speak. They want it to be quiet because if they speak, the cost of their purchase is up. Does it make sense? They want to buy cheap, so they don't tell you they are buying. Okay, they are smart people. Okay, back to the point. Number three, the trend line. So I use this blue line, the YM club long, as the trend to tell me the trend. When it is up, it's uptrend. And they tell right away, basically, when they change the trend, basically after a couple of candles, they drop below and then they change direction up also. So to tell you, hey, the trend is different now. Okay, so this three thing I always look at is capital, position, and the trend. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. If you want to subscribe this indicator, find the link below. You can unsubscribe anytime as well. I see you in the next video. Bye.